When I got to watch the video, reading through all the different programs, I saw programming. I was like, that really looks like what I've been doing. Like, I've been doing this since I was 6. Like, I've been looking at, phones and computers. I've always been interested in being able to do something and get a result pretty quickly, and problem solving, obviously, and being able to just create and be able to use my imagination plus math, which I always loved, and be able to kind of put that together. And this could actually be something I could do as a career, and I never actually kind of thought about that. I am Max Sansom. I am Tech Computer Programming.